Welcome to this week's episode of Motorcycle Monday on Appalachifornia. And today we've got another unboxing and potentially assembly video for you. So if you haven't seen it yet, in a previous episode I took a look at a cheap Amazon uh, rear wheel stand or paddock stand or lift or whatever you'd like to call it. Um, and you can see I've got my Triumph 400 sitting over there on it at the moment because I'm getting ready to do some engine guard installs. Uh, so I really needed two styles of lift for that, one to hold the motorcycle and the other to support the engine while I'm doing the work on it. So if you have a Speed 400 or a Scrambler 400, this style of lift is going to be limited in what it can do for you because unfortunately the exhaust on the bottom of the motorcycle precludes really getting this sort of scissor lift set up. But it's great for this sort of work where we want to support the engine separate from the motorcycle itself. So let's take a look at what we've got here. We've got a bag of parts. Got some. Oh, we've got a complimentary motorcycle chain brush. So we'll set that aside. We don't need that today, but always good to have. We got some little wooden pieces for shipping. Set of really cheap mechanics gloves. These would be a good use them a couple times, throw them away tool. So maybe I'll use these. Maybe they'll go in that trunk or something in case of emergency. We've got, of course, the lift itself is the majority of the box, and you can see here on the top is this rubberized coating, and of course a manual and a stick here. So we'll take a quick look at the manual, and I expect that assembly of this is going to be pretty straightforward. Yep. So it appears we have this bolt on here, and it appears we've got a socket that fits that. So this is kind of nice. It comes with a socket, so you could put this on your wrench, and you could lift it with your wrench. Or if you don't have a wrench, it comes with this contraption here, so you can lift it up manually here. So that's kind of nice. I suspect anyone working on a motorcycle probably already has a appropriately sized socket though. And I guess for your reference, it's a 22 millimeter, and it's a short socket. So all in all, feels very sturdy. I'd have no problem lifting my motorcycle on it, or in my case, I'm going to support the engine on it. And the reason I chose this over a car style hydraulic jack is I'm pretty confident with this scissor jack, as it sits with the weight of the engine on, it's not going to drop down. It's going to stay right where I set it. So I think this will be a nice support over a hydraulic. And then it has this safety rod. So once you have the motorcycle in the air, you can slide this in, and it will prevent the jack from accidentally slipping. So all in all, again, this is the Orion Motortech motorcycle lift, and you'll get to see me using it here in a video soon. But so far, unboxing and look at it, it looks quite nice, very sturdy. Really no quality complaints, especially at this price point. And it's got a couple little extra freebies, which don't really add much value, but certainly don't hurt anything. So if you found this helpful and you want to see the next video coming, which should be the engine guard installs, subscribe, like. If you liked the video, comment. If you didn't like the video, also drop me a comment and let me know how I can improve. Anything constructive is very welcome. So thanks.